Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to learn the lesson English Prose 7th Prose Glimpses of India. In 8th standard also we go studied in English Glimpses of India, some stories, but now we are going to read in 10th standard Glimpses of India, 3 part. The first part, a baker from Goa. What is that? A baker from Goa. Then second part, Gurg. The third part, tea from Assam. What is that? Tea from Assam. There are 3 parts in this lesson. There are 3 parts in this lesson, but today we are going to learn only one part. The first part, a baker from Goa. What is that? A baker from Goa. Yes, this also very interesting one because we are eating more bakery items, puffs, sweet, cake, ice cream, and everything made in bakery. So on the time before independence in Goa, how the bakers are selling their goods, how they are looking. Yes, everything we are going to discuss in this lesson. A bakers from Goa. Yes, maximum the lesson starting with the elders recall the past people and place. Yes, in our house also, in our home also, the grandpa parent and grandparent, they are telling the old stories. What is that? Old story. அந்த காலத்தில் நாங்கள் அப்படி இருந்தோம், இந்த காலத்தில் நாங்கள் இப்படி இருந்தோம், இப்போலாம் இப்படி இருக்கீங்க, ஓகேவா? ஆல்வேஸ் டெல்லிங் அபவுட் தட். The elders are telling about that. They are recalling the past, how they are living, how they spend the money, how they saving the money, what are the things are there. Okay, everything said in this. So everything they have discussed with the youngster, small children, son or grandson, with everyone, as how the people are living, how the place, what are the things are there, everything the elders are discussing with you. So you also maybe have some experience with your parent and grandparent or great grandparent. Okay, they are telling about that. Their history they are telling. Okay, next, Goa on the time. What that? On the time Goa was controlled by under Portuguese rule. So India was ruled by many kingdom. Okay, Dutch, Portuguese, British, Arya. So a lot of people were ruling India on the time in Goa under Portuguese rule. So the Portuguese only made bread, loaves. What is that? Loaves. Loaves is one kind of bread. All the people are eating in the morning. We are eating no bread. Yes, loaves. That was introduced by Portuguese people. Portuguese were ruling here, so they have introduced that. They made the bread. They are making hard bread, sweet bread, and normal bread. Everything they are making. So still also, not only in Portuguese, after independence also, the Portuguese people stayed here and learned. Our people also learned how to bake the cake, puffs, and everything. Okay, so still bake and sell baker. So now also the baker, now also the cook of cake and everything, baker baking the snacks and selling that. After the death of the baker, what is that? After the death of the baker, the culturally, the traditionally, their sons, what is that? The baker sons do the same work. For example, in the village, barber shop, if anybody having barber shop, their son become barber, carpenter son carpenter, mason son mason. Okay, the pot maker, their son pot maker. So they are doing the same work of their fathers. So here also the bakers were doing the work of their father's work. So the baker father, the sons are doing the same work. Then next, 3 categories. So if we want to make the cake, bread or anything, we need 3 kinds of labor. What is that? three kinds of labor. Yes, what is the three kinds of labor? First one mixer. We want to take the flour, மாவு எடுத்து பிசையும். Okay, flour, we want to take the flour, so we need mixer. Then molder. Yes, how we want to make the cake? For that we need molder. Then want to keep the flour in the stove and want to make the bread. For that we need baker. First one mixer, second one molder, third one baker. So the three are very important: mixer, molder and baker. Mixer, molder and baker. The three people, the three works need for making the cake or bread. Cake or bread. Next, the loaves were baked. Loaves were, as most maximum loaves were baked for elders, old people. Okay, but young people are eating the sweet cakes. But loaves are not sweet, but this one eaten by most of the elders. So the bakers come morning and evening. What is that? The bakers come with a full basket of cake going to sell, and then evening he come back with the empty basket. So per day, 2 times. How many times? 2 times he can come to the village. Baker known as padder. In Goa, now also we are calling the baker as padder. What is that? Baker as padder. Padder is author's guide and friend. The author is understand first. The author is now telling the past story. What is that? The author is now old man. When he was young, he is telling what he was did, what he was doing, daily work. Okay, daily he met the baker and getting some bread and eating without brushing. Yes, always the baker is giving guidance, and he become friend of the author because daily he is buying and eating the sweet bangles. Because of that he became friend of the author. So I already told you, come twice. So the baker comes twice in the morning, early morning. What is that? Early morning, 6 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Okay, early morning, and for selling with a full basket morning, and the evening he returned to home. What is that? That time also he want to go by this village. Because of that he is going empty basket. What is that? Empty basket. So children wake up meet. What is that? Children when they are waking up directly meet the baker because interested in bread bangles. The children wear round size bangles. Okay, this is sweet one. Bread bangles are sweet. This is sweet bread. Okay, so when he was coming, the baker was coming shouting. Yes, okay, she is selling the bread. Because of the shouting, and he is making sound with a bamboo stick. He is bringing one bamboo stick, always beating the bamboo stick on the land, so it is making one sound. So people can understand easily the baker has come to village for selling bread. So because of that all the one waking up. So daily work, he only waking up some of the people in the village. So children round and peep. Okay, so always the baker round by the children, the children around the baker and making sound and buying the bread and bread bangles and eating. So elders like children like bangles, elders like loaves. What is that? Elders like loaves, children like bangles. Elders like loaves and children like bangles. Eat as some of the children are not brushing. Without brush they are eating in the morning. எழுந்திருச்ச உடனே பல்லு கூட அலக்காமல் அப்படியே சாப்பிட வேண்டியது. Okay, some of you doing no like that. Okay, so in the next the bakery items like sweet bread and some others they are buying for the festivals or family function, for example marriage function or village festival. For that the people are buying sweet bread. Without baker no function. Yes, if there is any function, definitely they will buy some cake or bread bangles or bread or something loaves they are buying from baker and provide to the visitors relations. So because of that, without baker no function. Some of the families are buying the bread, they are making the sandwich or the sandwich in their house. So cakes and what is that, bowling horse unavoidable. What is that, the two, without the two the function not fulfill. So the baker is connected with the village people. Baker is always connected with the village people. How the baker looking like? Baker is looking like a fat man. He was eating more, because of he became fat. ரொம்ப குண்டா இருப்பான். Baker is become fat man. Yes, his dress is called a kabai. His dress is called a kabai. 3/4 of the pant. Yes, not half pant, more than half pant. One piece of frog. They can wear the one frog of frog. Next, if they are wearing shirt, they will wear another one trouser. Shirt and trouser. Maybe they can wear full frog, only one piece of frog, full frog. Otherwise they will wear shirt and trouser. Trouser is more than half or less than full pant, mukka pant. Okay, 3/4. They are wearing the 3/4 pant. The bakers are not collecting the bill day by day. Yes, they are giving the bread every day, but they are collecting the bill end of the month. What is that? They are collecting the bill end of the month. And so all the people are eating the bread with the account. Yes, every people's house on the wall with the pencil. What is that? With the pencil he draws some lines. Code கூட போட்டு வச்சிருப்பாங்க. Okay, draw some line for counting how many bread they have eaten in the month. Finally he will collect the money for bakery items. Okay, so baking profitable those days. On the time those are having bakery, the baker become get more profit, நல்ல லாபம் சம்பாதிக்கிறார். Because of they are giving the bakery items daily, and finally he collect the money. So maximum bakers are very fat. What that? Fat, because they eat more and become fat. Healthy food because of eating fat. Now also if you are looking in the bakery, now also some of the people are looking like a fat man. So we can, if you are looking the fat man, we can say maybe they are having what that, bakery. Okay, thank you.